Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following with reference to the Nifty. 1. The Nifty is managed and calculated by National Stock Exchange, NSE. 2. As of recent years, consumer goods has the highest weightage in the Nifty 50 index, as of recent years. 3. NIFTY 50 index was launched in 1992. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. All 3, D. None. Answer is option B. Statement 1 is correct. The Nifty index is indeed managed and calculated by the National Stock Exchange, NSE, of India. Statement 2 is incorrect. As of recent years, the financial services sector holds the highest weightage in the Nifty 50 index, not the consumer goods sector. Statement 3 is correct. The Nifty 50 index was officially launched in 1992. The index serves as a benchmark for Indian equity markets, reflecting overall market trends and the economic health of the country. Which of the following programs was launched specifically to deal with left-wing extremism, LWE, in India? A. The Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. B. Samadhan Doctrine. C. Ayushman Bharat. D. National Skill Development Mission. Answer is option B. The Samadhan Doctrine is a comprehensive strategy introduced by the Ministry of Home Affairs to address the challenge of left-wing extremism, LWE, in India. It focuses on a holistic approach combining security measures and developmental initiatives to combat Naxalism effectively. Each letter in Samadhan represents a key component of the strategy: smart leadership, aggressive strategy, motivation and training, actionable intelligence, dashboard-based monitoring through key performance indicators, KPIs, harnessing technology, activities for development, and no access to financing for extremists. Thank you.